Hello, agus fáilte hé na Seansálaithe agus bhainú seansa ghlaciad na Seansálaithe. Is mis Hugh me go le cheada agus they let me out of prison. Yay! Tá muid arás! Woo! Fuoi dhearú hir hall, tá sir tan gríannig teachta starm agus tá cracking go nimhne faoin UV. Ní mágad, tá muid arás le sráid nua iné tamil fáda ach marscra tá man seo le muid cólacia, le muid chuirte, tá muid seir dúspáire le aine bhuiir. Aine go dtimar tú.
Harvas asta bheith arás agus just láithreach sílim gur gáún leisce le gáil fuchinne bheith cóún le sé bhí anús. Gan éon fiú gan éon ógra thuirt a gunnar bí a just disappeared. Ní ram hart. Bhí mar dúirthiú bhí sé tíos frisún, ní rud a bí go deachtain níana faoi ach tan haéis as hart agus am delighted fi sin.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm not much notes app apology.
No,
nothing.
Really
proper, that rud go much cancelled. Agus a country lad been cancelled gomininic to much fasta le James O'Flaherty. James, timmer that too.
Yeah, come on. It was a tough second thing like ni has that shave V wets expect to ni to cancel ni smooth. So they mean to really cancel shave V econom. So, it ash relay botuni in the east, relay hey couple of sorry art. That's the usual. I know, come on, Pléann Áine, túsúr, Jack that's for Ash le chumradéis, most cards chords is sure. So that's a cancer bedicht, I guess yeah, basically just get a catch up in the middle of basically at hiatus, the group near on WhatsApp we can all lighten it up and that so we have to catch up cartoonish. Thomas just chun isteach catch up fresh.
Yeah.
And I wonder híal daoine nach romid cardúil ní smó meallar ná rud a bhí ráte daoine. Like caiimidra yes tá muidné a chéile eáil le sé bhíon is bímuid le chéile in isríise.
We got a rev like couple of mag in hella fast. We would wheelers couple we would like couple paid certain disco. I think in Trugging have collectively done la high like loan / jinger like hella hey like punchy different.
Ní léon tí ní léon drama.
I kind of wish go.
I know, simula don fodcréile. Son na fod.
Careful, just my yarn was really size like really vague and shot, and then there are Kermit and trailer like yellow and shin. So must really go to the Gealltanas and pod shot or where the man knows the dish whenever, and it's Virginia being like niche regiment dirt to shin lum or like Sean Doig mo himself really fine situation shin. Like I think Bedger come out ruddy merchin goodbye to tease them in. But Neil aon beef. No Brazilian beef and seo.
Sílam go mé an podcréile níos fearr ná bhí hana meallar. Sílam ar ghlachan tú os mar seo le aon rud sa sílam tagan tú ras le like fuinniu, ólasúir, rudí tá simúil ní tá né tharla bhí síl sa gcuin. Sílam go mé seo níos fearr ná bhí sé riú.
Agus
ní chéadm cifá go chicaún lead homeless nach an daine.
Bhí sin really off in fairness really off. Yeah, agus tá fi an ógamsa, but níach chuna chu Manchester óga na hógla. But tá se
óga prison.
Yeah, exactly. We're doing rotation. Sin on. Damn, she should our good tweets. I should have go much. Listen, Anya, and rather hurt you, Cash. That's just it was crazy. Good do says to the fakla shin. A score and Skal Umlanshin was just ridiculous, It was
really... treat Drocam, Roman de Tafford.
Jane wrote in there thinking that like I was in a bad place, and then it's just like in I don't know, Cavan or anything, or something like that's the shit.
Well, fairness.
Again, fairness, ain't fair. Sinead, boom, straight away, much of the Cavan that was for the prone arm. It was only a matter of time. So the Nyart Ruddy a Harla. The lin na sé bhí seo a bhí me Jimmythe agus I think a gaiimiid tasnú leis an cinnis mó a hála ar dús blaire and you would allow size Trump feel her.
Light as a feather, baby.
Light as a oh no! Version Swiss! No!
It's waiting for me.
It's waiting for you, yeah. Bhí sira jazz agad Anya, I would say.
Bhíra andas agam halls rank ag Jeremy Uil agus son na me bhaile Dear Cillian ar mé fáil. Oh my God. Gur seo rud atá tacht le fada don bhirt agam se.
Yeah.
An méid orintí goil seo pléite agan ar an budcréile agus an bhirt agus se isú leis an lá mór cis tíobh se gléasú scolamá tainúhaint as an lá. Tá sé tarlú ar deirú, Tá sé tarlú bliana.
The MNR, do you know what? It was like there are firm an gléach sin an ihe sin agus you my phone Harvard on full blast. I was like, my chanim some ma are in fucking Gealltanas in Shaw because nar charge I'm on my phone. You my kind of absolutely fucking bulle. Agus and Shane hurt, but firm an gléach in the Asian. Agus I think are wohi mission. Now some more with this in here in the James. Like wohi mission gore mission Geallta faster. Like really Viva. Like Hassan she go like, oh my god. It was like, oh yeah, Doc Ocean, Doc Retchy, yes, like Brelum sin. Bhí ma absolutely buzz up. Bhí just Doc Retchy.
Fud ha video agam da rinne mé screen recording ar ahanana a gléméir Margaret Roma gé TikTok ar le chéile agus Rose go nar chuir mé léic, Rose go dé gro mé go rá.
Bhí smuoinú agam. I was like, teis their sir le chéile agus bhí agus also fásta like nar rudé go garan tú like see the rudé ro tú like in group chat whatever agus ma chuann thing igen like video calls you on nachhfuil agri a rive. It's always like holy shit caiú Urkershaw like anish like it's never like the rudé gur nuacht all of you on like it would have been like a phone call or like a voice note or whatever but because it was video call I was like she carried me running at the echo. Oh my god, it's arís miss it as if like I was going up the aisle.
It's finally happening to me.
Oh my god, it's happening to me that I'm getting a phone call to go on Machara Geallta. I can't believe it. For Yeru here hall.
James are in construction site hall is San Fran economics doilum. Bro?
Yeah, so
yeah.
Yeah, vi ma go like ní ri ri cream re vi tarlu just chonig ma gur miscall one am so dus ma go ma as cuz could just crush cuichte cuz obviously there's a time difference so try to just get allowed some ní large number of pieces so we like okay so I think it's a hine vi version so we ma like if my way like it's like you the more on anyways so be honest ní se mar chéad le Hugh nis go chéad Hugh go béis an a bhí Geallta like cos mó hárá bhí mis just sí a chééis cinnaín seachtaachcha as rud agus bhí cinnaín mindset eisteachcham a faoin grá hééis a walkabout nu so mis like for fuck's sake per set list a fuck glass ní má vi met wachtú a fón vi met leit
Well fi ná chu James Blake ras sílam gro jewer lé catche so vi kenlíns me héna klinkal champagne istí I mar in eskrit na Franke living our best lives so vi would definitely Mary faoin táama chuirtí lé crash.
Like ní ceapin gur sib dá a chluistán a
No, bhí sé róglóir
bhí mis just is béceach sí an fón agus basically just cinna sign language rug an mas áthclub so sin a méid a bhí atáú sin a go sin muide I duna tágurs go inis chur síos ce chu hála se.
So bhí junior agan agus híal me se grommuid I ggóil ag an dún seo in é agus is é seo an dún is irde san Europe as dúirt cilín ó rahim down higlinn roiíochtálan as arcar lí na gréine. Agus fin ná gon junior ite bhí me just méidir tíos ní rici mu é tá sé roiint skit mai hiúil cilín like no come on rangmuid. So hosí muid go as an é like chuig no I was like for heck's sake like tá seo wad níos fuidir hiúil na híal me go meic sé ní go le hircúh chuna chuig no eile land an muid ag amháin bhí an gríon I ggóil faoi like níró sé ní bheith mu abta lína gréine eáil. Land share and he's like right now too much con road show rapu dún a bhí céad méidir an arde. Tá sin ard fuinna dún. Now bhí céimení but bhí fós it was like Shana trek carcosú so faoin am gur rickmid bhí drug humor I was not happy like he me tíhil sin é mé sis an jot me chorálisnis there nas fe ligge ski ar mo chud le hin sira and I just feel sweaty as bhí ganú ahanat and I'm just ní me buin saltas landal mu sus agus bhí asan but bhí lína grain a ddíirchné tharla so bhí se bhós like bondar bhí sé do grete as bhí mó mór daoine eile hús an sin as an sin dúirt cilíonn lom casú háart agus arc ar bhaile igen eile a bhí gardún. As cas mé háart dúirt sé ó arcar an máile an há sin. As cas mé ras as bhí an boscóscailte aige agus dúir sé arming gailge. An gosí tú mé. Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So agus well fiocht be héin an bhaine hartar couple mí revision bhí sé kind ráte gom leis go maiinm sapphire so run sé jobbínta camera me ansáasta no
Yep.
complaints.
Yep, the Gaelic. And then ceir yet like Keiko Ada Zidane solar institute that they grow to Grosh of Geallta. Like were you like straight away on the phone or were you like come on Shaw a Glock?
Just dinch mu do like dinch me the moamis me adi agus me yahar láithreach.
Yeah.
And then just come léir mo chud do cardin or a chuim cheese an dún sin go me léir te. But go probably like ní dóm gur chu mé ru a bí Instagram fa chunne couple lá.
Yeah.
Well, Asian Racha adjacent to Geallta an chéad lá eile bhrisme mo chus. So bhrisme mo chus ar an láidir nach an sire. So that was like trauma. So bhíorm etil doáile go héir an na cospriste agus fáinir. You win some, you lose some. So ní ro me able to daile le Instagram posting in a fuhanne a couple ag dígro mo chus go bu níos fear.
Hey, look, da wacht tú da bit an deal of Han riverjacht with an Etzels. I'd say you would have taken that deal.
Yeah.
Fairness.
They're like, hey, listen, it's fair like dollar and seer shot.
Ach, be the chuspriste. Ach, dat go ra Geallta.
Sin an céadú dom crá a bhrisú. Tá sé níomhna. Oh my god.
Yeah.
An peon is smó a bhí an rio. Bhí sé cóhatí, cóbrúsed fa gonne couple seachtain. Oh my god. As so to go home na brathir gon ag an eile cumile arthirtich cos an hí got siúd like. So go sus she styre and stuff and oh my god bhí sé angin. Yeah.
Not for me.
Well, hey, tá mé Geallta.
Yay! Should have Sálaithe. So what to nish is it like Keiko Prania as a Tasha or the Incan like being like okay how much file Rayla how much agru etch la banish and how much agru like is it like really at the mean or the Incan and Tamer font
sé genta
no Hugh hemsgur to raw like nar hall engagement
yeah. Well, yeah, well he mé kinda láithreach roglar am go meallar mo chus so bhí mábalta bheith is smaitiú agus just is mission certain in tá is go go tarlú barlam just a dhéanú ní maiile an fannacht a couple blian ní dóm go gá leis hí an táling goró an mudabalta an data gro mod géirí ail so sé tarlú imlíanana deire an tairí agus mu le gesú leis.
I can't wait.
Bin lads be job aigen agah tu mé job aigen díh
well must mon my gig gonna hear you know me and you might what do you call it right Harlow shade Kerma sister Instagram scale I was like oh my god and Bonnie kept the Deftones at chart go London like Rahim like well ending it Gary Chatting chin and it just goes Hugh day 2 because you're like oh fuck yeah actually never mind.
Never mind, it's just Winchan post news.
No, I was like, I guess neil anything Gary go good after them. But then what I get doors to that in my likely up. So I've had chatting ribbon banish. So everyone's happy, you know.
Everyone's happy.
Jane wanting to be matching a banish Anya and also I get to get punched in the face in it's Emma
win-win.
Listen, shouldn't know the way the harm. It was beautiful. And then sorry the from a carpás the imliana agus an ceiste bhí agam dífa was and ceiste bhí agam dífa was carried away and planned on nálag because obviously it's like a ced cin mar chilach so Cain Raychak I may agam sure or Shaw or is this like whole pie in the sky and she punches shot
no well sure would grow my dear smeeter nálag show mar a ríis caiimbo James Charlie so go níor caiimbo le chéile níor caiimbo nála gréú le chéile go dtí seo mar is bralam san nóla atá agam sa sáil le mothis is bra leis sin nóla tasfuile aige lena ismóí agus like tá gráilhar gom deismóí aige bud barlam bheith I mo hacéin a lá sin ná le chlán aige sin you know so bhí coppla in arálam gnéanaan ahandanéis an ní sin just muna goil se an cotínta just fannacht le de chlán agus sláán aráló ar an lá. But ní lis a gin, níl réite a gin. Bhí mu rá beidir ahan dar bblion, so go gaithim se blian I jazz aige sin go gaithn de sin blion há de. Go dtí go mín babas hart, you know? But dúirt in éigen lom go dtí go mín páistí go ní gáda tún nó le a fart. I was like, okay, go blion eile so.
Hugh. Oh my god.
I think it means like disaster you to like chud a down the brain ach like freshen was that ní se mílo ó alle chéile so like was se dan like lá nógin le dohailech ag sin lá stifán in le saoilech segasan so
ní mar goir léig
handy ma.
No, like breakfast dhéanú le teilháin agus dingarí le teile and then Jen Wallerts then and leather again or whatever, you know.
Yeah. Tá trú gom do gine as si do go mála duna like an tail than cheer no
fucking losers
no idiots
fucking idiots
the love of your life is more than 100 miles away, you fucking freak. Wait.
Can't believe you. What are you, not incest?
Oh my god. Scandalach, absolutely scandalach. But yeah, I mean Tasha really fussed Dave though. Tasha like wad níos fussed go to non just shows was she's and boher in the killer or ní go watching. Yeah.
Well, Tasha muy I lá na Atlantic but you know.
Big grand. Don't worry about it. No, it was buzz off. It was absolutely buzz off. The Michigan's James the Jenny good wrong in the choreography feel hard lesson Taisteal all with time 20
yes.
It's gonna be biblical niche. Now Herman order shot James. I don't know where my Velcro rip away trousers in the size gefall, but mas rodé Jenny much checker and rod.
He lived in a joke ní show yet also because mis actually then a gear or show tharla. Mission land flash mob, let's go.
Tá na nipple tassels fáil so many is.
Okay,
sin this tuckle vi that fall. Like yeah, agus sin obviously me go fénach an merting tá wokal man birthing isteach le back sack and crack with like river.
Agus tá mar ré. Tá all we here. I'm ready to say goodbye.
That was gonna we're gonna fly on that slip and slide
like dolphins, James. It would cost Cash Anna to Ogum Ditsit Filar. Because I think I'm actually Anna Yakare shot initially.
Yeah, Tom a full single I need ein doch and Keens into full some that. No. Tá chéad óháine am chéblin eile like im léana basically agus the safest bet ever nach mé +1 test up ag aim banish as in for maybe the next 3 years like who knows how long this lasts I don't know but Hollywood that I think I'm ready to be heard again I do.
You know what tá tú dé teacht Balach anada because our gairy are tainis that self-deprecating ní mar sin couple of meohan so
no
pro tá progress in gin.
Galam nach é sin a ceist bhí mar le chur art I'm sorry no plus ones can't Hugh have a little party not just gloves the chat in the beat in the bonnet she saw
Hugh the plus one.
Yeah, can I have a little party? Can Hugh have a little party? Come on.
Siú sé +1 a chéile heag máhanis.
No.
Na go cadú ní +1
No, not one bhfuil ana go mar duna. That's normal.
Damn. Sin can go a hinge proms we go on.
Yeah, we were all like bei dini chocolate like Colleen the ran like Crystal no Tiffany, you know.
Oh yeah.
The nigga thought like Arkisa could and law.
Yeah.
Because of How I Met Your Mother was that like Ted coming ban new again like wanish people. So be there like a euro machas picture.
Shouldn't have flan the yogamsa, but now I feel like veg not damn. Oh well. But no, in cash, an actual cash if you call me Ogum or it's James. No. Kaisha goes an Jacker ditch and nish mar níl tú mar champion na hair níos mó. Mar go fern nua an inis atá ar bar an cruch in é gur in éon dear shotting seach atse. So caiisi go se anheacartid déile leis from that fall from grace,
Yeah, yeah. No, like yeah, I don't know. Was that Ní mu an trí se go cúg láhéin.
No.
Ach no brena. Fe obviously ní mu in an go cean social mé a gom súsa a bheannach sin dulchan cí teachíine im léon bhím se th leir le pí má freisin agus nu ha me leis hí nach cúpla fócaís rudí hí rinsting eile barí th leir so dí so hí blion as peánach go feiceil fór a grúchtá so dí freisin nach beidir na círachaí ní bit kind of relax a grúchttar rudí me an friggin All Ireland grúta sa chundé tan junior agus an intermediate agus a friggin seanhá go si go senior club fresh ruchttar so they're really air taken over ach no obviously an ghiltocht le hána bhí me gur orb sin na grúchtá agus as sin ag grúchtá agus really gur dingle grúchtá is ché láir chumá like fan mór me go Mark O'Connor vín sa gimmers AFL hall is go cat gimmert so cool ma but ní man an rá is go mé na choirithe na héing foioi láhar mu so
No.
tá like bhí mu mar choir na héing inis so tá se so neimsre chatte unfortunately.
No, I know.
Yeah.
But listen,
Yeah.
a walk tú gohfuil go mín Cormac Bagley ag Landal ag na dressing rooms in é an Gealltacht like na clí bunch whatever. They're misleading ag go ar those Dermot Kennedy in the Gael. He'll just appear. Mas rud ag tarlaíonn rud allhar bé sé an. What do you call it? Má gafa leis, absolutely gafa leis.
Chonig me fi an hús ó réid agus Porco sé leis an nuún agus chorúd agus fiú ige cluthe le dohiío sé bhí sé neartúintí feiceil le TG ceir ag cluing é agus sin obviously cean an ranóirí ag na acu na darú cinide so luchan an bhil sin so it's cinine ru as go rúise agus go ru sin acu agus rud a bit a darú cinide Southpart my heart confession so we should definitely get version a ruchtdal because that picture who's saying Somali homse agus ma gerá hart cúg nu sé is Scol Victara le Sam Maguire agus Darrow Kennedy so honnig se ige Scol se hééis choop gruchtdal an kríf na héing chovíide agus ceir chiaapin so it's a good dude.
And I sin an Greengraph a haspan an mecnor dúsa an ar an garúa ditse. Bhí picture aige dit le mohawk bug
no sin
chuir agat.
No sin bhí mu fáil ganach inú léon sin faoi dóéag so that was socha má roiig cin was that bless le níos mú follicles a Thompson stoi agus go mar an buganín stoilí an agus dí but so sin an nucht a smooth amsa in the past couple me I'm no longer Sheppy
No, I feel like all rud an eile ar hála an sin le Janie atá bhfuil slightly níos mó nach bhfuil tú couple of clear pal like I mean that's nothing new agus I'm thinking rud is mó Badger is gohfuil ever oh my god sorry in Puchter yes ví tú gáil James ví tú gáil James
Ung in a spikes sin I'd say not just let and Greek sin of rish like good check creation
the brill cream
brill cream new dax because of on it was rough going sin mis na déige agus ní me an na fichi níosmú
30 flirty and thriving
well
definitely flirty anyway agus V what do you call it Jimmer V shot like wrote to smuir shot le linen bli an amman where you're just like okay there's a chat like tam hon of a troch am it or was it did it sneak up
No, ní bhí mar ri swinú i muis go was mé all cosm like tá bhre lá ar an new log anger, so like it's basically New Year like was that so like ní vín tú riomh go chréid an blian ará ógé some bhre níos cos just nu de an blian an seanar tá casa blian uair so
Yeah.
so go cha an beidir dar tíú log anger go well tá go tíoch gan go lá bor look Kamerá blians a bhí am sunna ficití is probably blian sure bhí am riomh so it's a good year to rattle stuff out like was out rima loads taisteal agus hí choran éan if cuaig cum spe na gréalta rins rudí mar hin agus sin manú go America chuir me Machu Picchu measc ticked off the bucket list agus sin rins banseach cean haar leir so dí mar hinna so blian an riil no fairness like cat a daine mar so dí like so vi sé go fu mar bruntastá fri me chláán le hí bheith cá trícha agus ví seachtain ma lo frisin like you know Deú tom go blian le mí air like chonig bud carling pálin na géí rá cecha donnastá brela I mí air agus tá héin héin sa má géanana le cecha congurach le chéile tomud in air so
ar leid mis ag dearan mísa mar dúirt siad bín kind of bín daoine chat amachchas an hybridation ag náam sin do bblion ach tá sibse díach ag an tús an sin agus níl duine na deirí rud bhíanana go má peanta bheith acu mil seaná a bheith acu andaí bheith fólan.
Yeah, you know, I got the high. You know, there's no damp January's like a bunch of no. You know, the honey gefall is the rune saku gefall. You know, there's the glance state, there's the garve like no bema mai because you punch shop.
Tá han na roche. Tá sin siad a defrostal sí le méid Jera ní anner.
Yeah, look, brother, fasting is hanging very lot what was like was that. Kin nerd films anyway, so hang an bheit go sscoil. So obviously go sscoil go túús agus sin mé águr me mí air hí se gomachom le perhilech mé hí blian níos mú amsanna goló go mos choide sem léon fum, so wa sé sé an go ra go faoih cuaig a foch me se fós faoi ceirdeig ach nach is mu. Dat am idir cean mé hé ce an choide Charlotte ní annach éon lá déag ach tá sé 95 mis 96 so tá blian extra amsa sin I pell.
géine le ceol le coltas na grúpi ceol bheith daoine atá just ra dúr chéine.
Is bonus an like is bonus bugatán le hí de bhrela bheith gon ámas grúim go blian. Tá am hí like chum amach le cúpa doch this airing he's like just neuro more than the lads even a goal like we should just all nach like we couple the night over couple pinting is had gram brand new roads basically popping going heen so like so it's not the best like
near him make digro me going fasta gur drochra de brela I mi anner mar tatu mar dirt tú just her skull is fine to the cock is danger wally and like near mar na tharla could be agus an sin fiúnar bhí me ochdeig hí ahandan ar an óscoil fós asta go má mianar so níró siad san na Jenna in dry January so níró éonhaibn sin it was actually just sort of fiche trí ará gur thug mé fi deara wait níl daoine gurí ceile an dám seo an bblion ní ri rud mai é seo
ceile
yeah Ní sé cos le úsad Hugh atá tíú lá go June lá an tara bank holiday everything you know just the potluck there you know
we should just go consider
listen nar bhfuil ní sin na mí man over they'd start themselves bei sé really sass leis féin nar atágan an saora a han blian agus ar an darn le an June bank holiday agam le ein rod you know like bímsa it's worked out great though le Tom us whatever you know Thomas like clicky pal a han breithlá because you know because been really your children June back holiday agus then like you know Lions all war a han rod I suppose nach bhfuil it new Lions feel her faster heard but like like the beam but ar bríonn se má great though a han blian So cén bhí é arís tá like míón an bhí is fear le bheith rugga the rudí with Geargal Shaachtin Pell. Is it me honor or is it
Yeah,
kinda
it's me
so
angry.
so so that's sinna fly nach bhfuil more thing is sportul. I was born in the wrong month.
Well,
Like
definitely le pegwellachs me angry done.
yeah,
Like
or an extra wanker.
fáing ísag má tú choláide le cóide le atá ruguid mí na saona nó mí na nolog tá tú tá blian extra
Mhm.
agus sin tá step ahead at basically me tá tú ní siú nach chola eile ar a barc so yeah sé decent go like ach yeah tá car eilm freisin is níl session tríocha agus í mí áibran agus is seo an tám gon bléon a gúnaí I mín se like rá James like tá tú actually cho seán like ach tá ngéad ban amachcha Tású go mé méid an ban amach amsan tú seán lása agus ní an nach freaking TV idir mu like úsad is seo an safe más a go bléon chola bblion be mó bhrela gus í brela ean me tugann se níos a chola úr be me ceapal ngéad daoine go se bhád níos óigin natá se agus like mé ní romas blion céan agus sáil bhí se blion fum agus a fi mas gúna mas pelle chéad ach like fós é ceapan daoine like ó níl se seán na James mé go mí se fricin á rá I gúnaí so like is sin Ruth Granford like but yeah.
Look, James, you ain't five the silver fox. Cláir na bhí
Look, can't wait. Bes mo ní smú ám mar Silver Fox na bhí net.
George Clooney.
Oh my
Bes mo +1 a cíns am ag ban a cíns beidir sa táchaí mar Silver Fox.
Shamesy Bart. Oh, for God's
Yeah,
sake.
sin na Harlan sa ís, ha? Be bainse chuid teach níos níos left, right and center. It's just Brandon Dini be fucking happy. Who wants to fucking do that?
Right, uninvited officially.
Yeah, no, my +1.
Fair to those piano Latin. You.
No, my single-handed choreography just Lavain.
Yeah.
Just sad.
Just sad, yeah. I go for the lift. I'm like, like
just jump bug of his on.
Yeah.
Well,
No.
Hugh, tá tusa inné bheith ag over le RTE le céhhéad míon ús?
Oh God, too much chats was her blian.
Yeah,
Which
sin
is
na dhéimne.
which is crazy,
Yeah. A Carly Ryan Dahra dit le couple mí in ús agus tú busy leis sin.
Yes. What do you call it? Tam we're farts that cult in it. I've joined the we're gonna go to the moon. Yeah, that's what what do you yeah,
Moscaba.
yeah, of course, yeah. More scarf, yeah. Mahanig is Elon. We're besties. But she's just mental. So obviously an Amshon there Nero ig over la RT na Nero fi freelance whatever. Agus sabri dalí le crash na school iné Navy gohfuil mó cláir féin agam or to a fan like crackle. So no bhí blian den ska a hanning hojas like just tahi den ska bring my couple of cláir teilifíse which is mental faster really bhí mar rá a daoine like fi car I would say probably cin na blianttí is massive agam fi chuig thermatic tus na blianana 2023 agus really like near cap ma gro chun over chomáid sin agus ma better an rud seáfaí manifesting better go bhfuil put like airne on better go bhfuil daoine on better go bhfuil se actually go brion se mar dhearann tú go rudí chun dul mai.
Nearan na mudna Leo Taro le Emma. Arthur blian ó hen.
Oh yeah.
Agus dúirt si go dárlach goméin se Geallta.
Yes.
Ceim mu gáil siar agus arcir céhhéad de seo ar a Harley. Ar bhúirt si ag dit seo híú posta go
I think with Urch, yeah. I think Urch really a flea pastor. And I think Urch go me Leanv agus Pláistí James. I think
Tick.
Yeah, exactly. Perfect, Listen, just now.
Madam Emma, jeez, like Becart dahandan a bheith go Emma.
But yeah. Fisha just, yeah. But I've really and the end of the Ogum was delí craidfel, agus gur bhfuil mar méid seo daoine clás agus gorma hógríthe an tamar fad níor ri gglach ba séire ar Harbí. Sinna cin na rúna tá agam im léana is le actually dul ar sire agus am go acu le sí síos agus gan éon rudí ennu. Now I say that agus an cead sire atá buágam dá blian is to do like a Euro trip tras na ar an Orb ag caiú níos mó not níos mó na ceir is fihe in ahanana le ceair. Like I'm literally just gonna bounce out ó ahanana le éit.
Tá plán aige tá itinerary crackáilte.
Yeah.
Cos níor mé an lecha chuirmis canna lista de cúpla cean na tír tá háart ar cáilú gol agus dúir ó becearcón seo, but níor hí me go mar sebalta achan ceanna fiáil se tá an seo Hugh like sa voice note like yeah so to me chun like leathlá caiamh in Slovenia and then to me chun just léimtar train agus gol síos go cáiltí go Croatia.
So Tasnu in Budapest.
Yeah.
I think I'm actually caiú in Budapest. Agus bhí arm a fláán ahar slightly because cap go bhfuil níos mó overnight buses on whatever, but actually níl ar fáil fi le so it's basically like ihe in Budapest, ihe in Slovenia, or in Ljubljana agus dul go like bled, ihe in Vienna, nu galig an opera an Madar gan then ag fall train Swiss go Prague ar an Jardín le dul higgin le codéile gáil higgin clúthe na hhéireann. Agus tá actually fanart ihe in Prague mar go mé cud much Carjon. Agus an sinna dul go Munich ar an Saharn. I think má fanart go dtí Mágin an Lún. I think tá actually duna in Munich fasta and then I dul síos go Vienna an Lún. Agus actually flagáil tróna in March, so it's like literally like boom 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 boom. So it's
tá hána seo níos fuidir hiú ná a hílann túnar tatú a bhuaáil. Fiú me se chaim mé trí lá an ahanáit as bhhí mé le god mé absolútely scrista. Tá sé dechar an taiiste le sinnéanú.
What's 6 hours on a train, do you know?
Nah, you know.
Ceapin go an ability ag Hugh go sé just an ant na hol ná a bit.
Yeah.
Agus just land an church come on.
Yeah, oh no, absolutely like mar Gealltanas I could fall asleep on a clothesline like sinna Canada and like sin and vibe dogumse and then most ruddy go about salt some pain like tá definitely got a bounce out just either na etni different like most ruddy will ain gigs now ain like etni like Kilby or whatever on they own and then I mean tá got an opera like this in book dogumse which is hilarious. Come ins like like the equivalent of the National Concert Hall Vienna or in Kedin agus an sin bema le couple of mile air and the sweaty is the in Pobeg in Prague and like last the fi car.
I can just imagine on friggin punk rock underground mosh pit on in Munich near the Kings just absolute. Yeah,
they want to try to rash like tattoos. They want to try to rash it'll be ní aithna to me. I'll be shaved head like I haven't fish. I really but you're good young man mohawk and you must feel that in pictures that James just more inspo
yeah
bitch and deadly
done
being an inspo since 06
but no new like we just blian that skahagum I actually can't like ní féilm really Marn níos mó na sin a ra. It was just hí ahanninge hí ahan ri mai one me ansalt as an ober one me ansalt is cartús le really difriúil na project fad hí me gobar agus an sin na dingear bhfuil me lá the dinge take fáil me heel na an cracker fad the gigs are fad and I will say chuim agad ní slú gigs im líana na nari which is a little
ní drochra é sin though.
Yeah, but en Yakima ach céad sa trí déag banní difriúil in that
sin fós ní smú na paid as a teachtan.
Yeah. But I mean like like failties or like in fail up really like
Hugh bhí se like bugnach míolan an méid banní grotú gáil heige in airí.
Yeah.
Ooh, I was going to say that Gary níos fear, and then I remembered school cvid banny fecu im líana guftí seo.
Like,
Quigger, sure.
I bhí fi sé
Fifi, yeah.
go bhí a bheith
I think like Quigger. I think Quig banny.
Bhí muach ar an dara lá déag de bhíanaar.
Yeah, but I mean, like the gigs normally is like being like gig in a gig in a gig in a gig in a gig, you know. So the like I don't know, I don't see in to each in, but in terms of different
to ri a Hugh
you're like Hugh.
In amachú Latin.
Hugh Colorado airport. Like we're at the dollar range shop, you know. This is consistent behavior though. Like the Jenny Shaw must see alumni. So
hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
And it definitely, well, I'm broke. So I'm broke to wear a shower fod. Look, nar hosim ag dul ag lanced banny cheol or tourist. That's when you know I've taken the step too far. There's my class
like groupie.
Yeah. Like my sort of well my dul higgin tour care in the listen banny.
Like by Hugh just a guard Chile and I go like woo!
Let's move. It's move. You know,
sign my chest.
My hairless chest. The mania genu wax all yeah, the back sack crack. Oh my god. But no, really sad.
Okay, so Gunvertage to put you on the spot.
Oh no.
What is your pit and peak? Go obvi sa fe cuig.
Ooh. Cash boy. Well, that's not
I think we'll count on Aska.
Your pit?
Yeah. First my class. As my peak, no grow my Geallta.
If you do pit and peak in 24 hours, yeah.
Yeah.
Grammar go our fast to go our peak nervy to the slave or in June agus and shin and pits then was their high
one. Yeah.
You hate to see it. I mean, yeah, that's Vision Alpha.
Yeah.
If person there's like King Pit view and I was like, she's not gonna say Geallta. I was like, she can't a chuckly should have Killian Bart. My king, you know.
You marry him.
I'd love to. Babe,
you know the Marashin as Glenn she'd my king or Arcala Soku like.
Oh god.
Oh my god, no. Yeah.
That'll be you.
That'll be me. I'll be calling my wife my king. What do you call it? Caird A and Pitman Peak Films in Liana. Oh, do you know what? I guess it's mine with this alright. Ta Delis menu or pit, really. Listening or like the like the Pléann really than Skahagum. Like and rather when it was I'd say probably a pit away a vow on, and this is such a non-complaint, but like Margaret my whole Greek and Tamerfad like the like man like really thirsa like the cuds dan Pléann. But like oh no if you might cover or our radio who's cláir teilifíse oh no I'm living the dream. Oh god, it's not called Jacker arm. Like Neil really I don't think Elaine was really good. Actually no, do you know what? Tap it took him. I can't believe it was actually blocked a month weekend. Could you ring mass me your chin?
Fun.
Didn't all and craving the heron. That was a real pit.
That was a fucking great day.
That was a real pit. It was really
yeah, that's fair. Yeah.
We already Jacker. I know growth this is sad station I call James, but we already
look, Aaron Gumas also really, you know, football's the real winner.
Oh, shut up. Emmy lad, stop that shite. The Kerry was the real winner. I should have to go away give me on. I can't believe that. Yeah. So should have pit. So that was the pit. And Legend was the pit. And then
peak. Ní drug pit sin ar bhela, like níor hardly rather be ditch go pearsanta the
mo bread mo Hyundai agus mo chrí part gur danma cho fata sin Carvlia Trivian Jacob went to that tam journal.
Yeah, well, there's a friggin' 25 Pléann ó Gáile on football.
Yeah, but you're chance galh, like this. I'm talking about a real team.
Ní Harlow
Like the can't
Use literally a clear can to blame roof, like so. Agus one was doing all unbelieving shin.
Nah, details. Summary. It's coming.
Okay, dó peak agus pis, James.
Peak Zachar. It's just got to all our final round, really. Like Machu Picchu comes kind of close. Hot air balloons, hot pyramids in Mexico kind of comes close freshen. But yeah, cool can't say anything. Growth Alex and the celebration together. That's kind of when life peaked, I'd say. It's all downhill from here.
Wie wil kan het because
Like, niet heb ik gewoon like niet heb ik echt maar terug. So, I'm more life expectancy or desired to like yeah. So, Pitt, I would say,
easy.
Yeah, it's like Jay going around.
Cáile an Cléann cum spell gota I recurring. Yeah. Sin cumtas bhí mar ri ar grochtál agus cheapin go dogmuid inar ní a. So
Ach bhuiit man caning goile.
Yeah, the other pits, like, Hull the Vish Machrachity, they're not pits, really.
They're not really pits. No.
I thought out there well.
Yeah. They're life lessons.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They're learning experiences, James.
Yeah.
You've grown, honey.
Táid ar fád fast in this.
Frish mis mo chos frish tusa do chuirí.
Agus frish mis sin fank. I've really Tá hád an amar go catch up ar gigs with Imliana. But look, you grant. We are all Gucci. Well, I think then, do you know what? Fí quick Pléann Áine. Fí sé will ein rúna go tan blian, will ein rúna go tan nafian.
Bé blian níos fear fiú ná fí quick gogan.
Boom.
Mar dirtú manifestation.
Ranna-festing mar germs a hain. Sin an rud a bhím sa dhéanú. Ní ana manifestation den an Ranna-festing.
Yes.
Yeah. Ich habe mal gemacht, Zachar einem und Chor so thucke, but no. Ranna-festing.
There's a hunt tharla. No, the fí sé chuna bheith a bhád níos fearr. Agus céimhá a mé fí sé a bhád níos fearr mar go mé an trúr agin le cheile an tamar fád ag tinú ar níhall ag tinú agad bitsbuk le cheile be mu ag banis aine le cheile be mu ag baby shower James be mu ag
Hey, look, the chief is in the down will got to birdsvad like gasser Ní ma cos like on the creatures in go on the just gas regular chain. Like,
well, let's see. Kick out to be to Hall America. I'd say Sean this
No, that was we Cree British to James all the chin. The James had the chin. We're gonna make a shulodi la chain like his coffee's ammo croissant again.
You tell me now there's not gonna be any hairy Karua lads hall is San Francisco fila or whatever. It's like
it goes in a pat mustard.
Well, McLaughlin side fade and Nan of Shaw. Agus McLaughlin Malia and Nan of Shaw. Agus criminal and Nan of Shaw.
Be Californian Bagon, be Mexican, Colombian, Peruvian, is Costa Rican, is the guitars.
Abrahalola James. Hola Yeti. Honestly.
Uno Saversa, Chinty Shay.
Here, Padre. Chocolate Dolaba. Dil Palby Lamb. Oh my god. Shin flat. I guess Aaron note the shin on that bombshell.
I was just to say, like, he's so cute. I was in your machine. It's so recent the television. So
no, but we like. sin é ó Seansálaithe gur maiad as a bhé lei she's on fire. Listen, wasn't that nice? Wasn't that worth the wait? Murray Arthur. But to get much lads ar na man host muidir Seansaí ar Instagram, Seansaí ar YouTube is le teilifíse seo muid le fáil ar Apple Podcasts or Spotify or Acast we're good Podquality, but Gary any Amsterdam or the man hosted or anywhere or Instagram agus anywhere or TikTok, but Gary James Amsterdam man hosted there's more Flyertalk or Instagram agus Flyertalk or TikTok agus what Gary Mahane Amsterdam man hosted for more Hugh Carr your Instagram agus just Gray Hugh Carr or TikTok. We'll end with that. Go your flog that. Ahain must they grow to la James and the me the me fi quick. Me man over then please be a Jaguar. We're gonna do a full special episode for you done the Yanks or fod at take worth the child support feel her
cláir sin fao duna tá gurí fíorhis mór sa goim siú long lost family long lost ó flaharta
James, but this is dead here in Clarkson.
Yeah, no,
he's like, no.
I don't want to see.
the reality set in, and it was like, oh god, no. Like it's Sween, you should that Rudiger Harlish, and that would be no. God love him. He's enough on his plate. That's traha. Right? Shouldn't anybody use out us and Jerry shout to get agus bim rash recent gan lil le agran ur the Seansálaithe acadísin sláin agus banart. Sláin.
Oh.